Welcome boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be installing this K&N Performance Air Intake System on our Ford F150. And as you can see, this is what our intake looks like stock. So we're going to get rid of this mess and put our K&N filter in. So let's get to it. Alright boys, so we are going to be reusing the bottom part along with this guy. So even though they're prematurely put these push pins back in after the grill installed. This is the, you will be reusing your intake air temperature sensor. So pull that off your factory and then get ready to install it over here. Okay, those clamps are tight. This clamp's tight. We should clamp this side down. Here, I got some light in there for you boys. There it is. It's in there. The top K&N part and affix it to your factory deal there. You'll have to take your little and then make a little bead with the super glue that comes with it. You know, why they give you super glue instead of RTV, I don't know. I didn't build the thing. But put your bead there. Perfect. Instructions are overrated, boys. We did that whole thing without reading them because instructions, that's not what we do on this channel. Alright, so that's how we install the K&N Performance Filter, and we did knock that out at the same time we did the grill, but like I said, 2 different videos. So, alright. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.